Huh. How did I take care of you? You nasty piece of work. Yeah, you tell him, Jim. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like the weather's going to be like this for a while. Almost as unpleasant as what's happening here. What's happened? Well, let's just say that there's been a bit of an altercation here. Yeah, these two punks knocked me out. Oh, crud. That ought to take care of him. Yeah. All right there, Ben. Yeah, we're okay. We were just talking about a few of our own pranks that we were planning for later today. I see. Yeah, well, I need to talk to FireLavaOven about it. Good idea. See you later. Hey, FireLavaOven. Oh, hey now. So, what are you up to? Well, let's just say that I've wanted to see how Captain Starbeard and the other villains are dealing with their defeats. Well, I'm hoping the same thing. Yeah, well, regardless, we may as well keep at our toes. Yeah, in case they decide to show up. Yeah. All the same, you seem to be in a good mood, despite the bad weather. That's because I've got a few pranks of my own. I see. Well, regardless of what's happening, I hope you're not in too much trouble. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, well, I suppose I'll see you later. Yeah. See ya, and I hope you're not in too much trouble.